Who's gonna tell me what does a good friend do? One by one. Okay. Okay. Zaina, you tell me what does a good friend do? In a loud voice? Care others. Okay, good. Yes, Ryan, you tell me what does a good friend do?
No hitting and no bullying.
Alright. But okay, yeah, Haris. What does a good friend do?
No bullying.
Okay. Anyone else?
Me.
Okay, okay. Ibrahim, you tell me what does a good friend do?
No hitting and no pushing.
Alright. Hudia, you tell me?
No hitting and no pushing.
Okay. Yes, Mariam? Do you know how you can become a good friend?
No bullying.
Okay. Arshia?
Bullying.
Alright. Parisha, you tell me what does a good friend do?
Care.
Good, well done. Anyone else?
Me.
Okay, Saib, you tell me.
Sharing, steering.
Very good. Yes, Basam?
Don't punch.
Very good. Yes?
Don't running.
Yeah. How you can become a good friend?
She is caring.
Yeah, share your things with your friend. Help others, care for others. Anyone else?
Me.
Okay, yeah, Ileana, you tell me.
Share with your friends.
Okay, good job. Anyone else?
Me.
Okay, Hashim, can you tell me how you can become a good friend?
Okay.
Care? Good. Care for others. So you all tell me that are you all good friend of others? Do you all share your things with others? Do you all care for your friends? All right, well done. Keep it up.